Cold weather definitely has an impact on vehicles because it's a season that demands a lot from the engine, a lot from the charging system, a lot from your batteries. Cold weather on startup on engines is very hard because it creates a lot of wear and tear on the engine. So a good quality oil is important to have inside your engines. Obviously the heating and air conditioning system. Air conditioning we don't really need, but you do need your heating system, so that needs to work to be optimal working condition. And then of course we need the tires. Traction, we need to be able to control our vehicle in the winter, it's very important. Of course, regular maintenance of a vehicle is important. You would need to follow your vehicle's inspection, maintenance schedule. And again, Vehicle Mind is the perfect solution to that. Vehicle Mind is also able to tell you what the trouble codes inside the vehicle are, so it will give you an explanation of what's going on inside the engine without using garage terms. It'll be normal everyday terms. Again, with collaboration, Vehicle Mind, and you're checking the state of health of the vehicle, wow, it's a win-win situation, nothing to be afraid of, peace of mind, and you're off, you're gone.